Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can save a code you create in a SoloLearn coding application on mobile. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to the code you've been working on. I have created, or I've been working with that code here in the C++ language. So guys, once you're ready to save your code, simply tap into these three dots in the top right and select either save to save the progresses, or you may, for example, select also save as below. Now if you'd like to give your code a name, let me for example go with how to save code in SoloLearn, and so on and so forth. You have up to 100 characters for that. You may also save it to public so that others in the SoloLearn community may access it. Click into save, and that's it. Now of course I'm not going to save this one because that's just an example, but that's how it works guys. So if I tap into these three dots again and select save as, I will be redirected to the same menu here guys, and that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.